Hello, in this video I will show you how to integrate ChatGPT with WhatsApp. Now, for doing this process, you will need to go on a browser and you will need to open two websites. The first website is going to be OpenAI and the second website is going to be Zapier for integration, and we are going to use OpenAI for the API key. So, firstly what you have to do is just simply go to the website of OpenAI and log in with your account. Then just simply choose API. Now over in the left hand side menu, click on the API key panel, which will also be shown as the log pad, as you can see right over here. Now over here, all you have to do is just simply click on create new secret key. Now you can name it WhatsApp integration over here. Now after that, just simply click on create secret key. And now just simply copy the key from over here. And make sure to copy and save the key because you will not be able to do it again. Now once you have done that, click on done. And now go to the Zapier website. And right over here, we're going to create the integration. So it's a very easy process. Click on the three lines at the top left corner. Then scroll down and click on apps. And now just simply click on add connection. And now just simply search for ChatGPT. Now choose that option. Now over here, just simply enter the API key that you just copied. So just simply paste it right over here. And then just simply click on yes, continue to ChatGPT. Now, after the connection is made, click on the three dots right over here. And then click on test connection to see if it is working or not. And as you can see, the connection has made and it's completely working. Now, do the exact thing with WhatsApp as well. So, just simply go back and then click on add connection and choose WhatsApp. And right away, you will have the option of WhatsApp notifications. Click on this option. And now in order to connect with the WhatsApp, you will need to enter your phone number, and then after that an OTP will be sent to you on your number. Then just simply enter that OTP and you will be good to go. But make sure to enter the number in the international format like plus and then your number. Let me show you an example. So firstly what you do is just simply enter the plus, then your country code and then your number. And now what you do is click on send pin. And now you should receive the code on your WhatsApp as well. So enter the code right over here. And after that, just simply click on yes, continue to WhatsApp notifications. And then your WhatsApp integration should also be done. So again, just simply test it by clicking on the three dots. Then click on test connection and see if the connection is working or not. And the test is successful and the connection is now working. Now, once you have done both of them, click on the three lines at the top left. Then click on create zap. Now just simply close this option. And right over here, you will have the option to create a zap using prompts, or you can also do it manually by choosing the trigger. So in my case, I'm going to use the AI to create triggers, as you can see right over here. Now, all you have to do is just simply click on generate and now wait for the triggers. Now, as you can see right over here, these are the triggers that the AI created. So in order to check them, just simply click on try it and then you will be able to see the triggers. So you have to manually adjust all the triggers over here as well. So directly click on the trigger. And then choose your response, choose the account, what type of response you want, and what is going to be the frequency of the response, how much humane you want to make the response. You have to choose all of the triggers right over here. As you can see, in the action panel, you have to enter the values and create the trigger. So this is basically how you can integrate WhatsApp with ChatGPT. So that's it, and thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.